So come with me to have brunch on a retired Delta MD-88. First of its kind, and you can find it at this exit off this street, Biscayne Boulevard, and I park right here. Oh, not to mention, this was shot on an iPhone. So when you come here, don't be afraid to go up these steps. This is the entrance, so you can start your videos from here. Now this has been here for almost 2 years. Yes, it's a real aircraft. So once you get in, you're greeted by a crew member. This guy, it was really cool. He's gonna hand you a menu. You look through it, y'all can sit on the aircraft until you figure out what you want. You don't know I took a window seat while I sit back, relax, and watch the crew members do their thing. But you only sit here to figure out what you want to eat, and then you pay for it right here. Now you can rent these things, I don't know what they are, but it's by appointment only. So me get a cafe con leche, which is what I saw on TikTok, and it was really good. This was just eggs and cheese on a bagel, and you don't know some waffles. So they do have chickens running around and duck, so it does give a cool little island ambiance in the middle of Brickell. And there's a chicken coop. Follow them on social media and get their